Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Elasticsearch Kibana UI, full guide step by step clearly. To log into the Elasticsearch Kibana UI, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the URL for your Kibana instance. If you are running Kibana locally, you can use the default URL, which is often http://localhost 56. Press enter to navigate to the Kibana login page. Once the Kibana login page loads, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. If you have not changed the default credentials, the username may often be Elastic. Next, enter your password in the password field. If this is your first time logging in and you have not set a password, you will need to follow the initial setup instructions to create one. After filling in both fields, locate and click on the Login button. Kibana will then authenticate your credentials. If the login is successful, you will be redirected to the Kibana dashboard. In case of invalid credentials, an error message will appear. Read the error message carefully and re-enter your username and password if needed. If you continue to experience issues, check your Elasticsearch server status to ensure it is running properly. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Kibana interface. Explore the various features available to get the most out of your Elasticsearch data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.